This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 2018 Gold Rush autographed mini helmet Series 2 football, one box break, eBay break, on July 30th, 2018. I am going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Jim Hulshise 0 with the Redskins, J.A. Miller 01 rocking the Lions, Jim Hulshise 0 with the Buccaneers and Titans, 49ers and Seahawks, Waddy Watt with the Rams and Chiefs, Jimmy Hulshise 0 with the Eagles and Steelers, Jets and Raiders, G-Car 92 with the Cowboys and Falcons, Upstate Card 74 with the Giants, Jimmy Hulshise 0 with the Saints, Patriots, Vikings, Dolphins, Bills, Panthers, Bengals, Packers, Colts, Jaguars, Bears, Broncos, Texans, and Chargers. TurkHD underscore USMC with the Browns. Jim Hulshise 0 with the Ravens. And the Cardinals. That's your full lineup. Okay, we've got your mini helmet here. Sealed box. 2018 Gold Rush autographed mini helmet. Series 2 there. All right, we're going to get her open. All right. It is showtime. Good luck. Here we go. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. JSA cert on the back. I love the old school Patriot helmets. I just absolutely love them. Your JSA cert's on the bottom in there too. I know exactly who that is. I'll give you just a second to take a good peek at it before I give it away. That is John Hanna for the Patriots. I love the Hall of Fame inscription as well. That's beautiful. So congrats to the Patriots. Let's go into Jim Hulshise 0. Congrats. That's a beautiful. I love the old school Patriots helmet there. That is gorgeous. Absolutely love the old school on that. That is neat. Congratulations. Thank you so much for breaking, guys. I really, really, really do appreciate it. Of course, I'll stick around if anybody has any questions or needs anything. Thank you so much.